Howdy folks, Luke Simons with you. Back to the Basics 101. I'm at Harbor Freight, and check this out. So I love Harbor Freight. I absolutely love it. No, it is not American-made products. I get that. But neither is Milwaukee, and I love Milwaukee. But look at this, you guys. Okay, so clearance, okay? And this is Icon. These are no joke. They're good tools, okay? But you'll notice missing pieces. Missing pieces. Discount price, okay? Discount price. Okay, missing pieces, Icon. This is their top line. It's supposed to be like a Snap-on, etc. Same thing, Snap-on, etc. Okay, Icon. I love Icon. I love it all. I'm trying to fill my toolbox up with Icon. It's basically like my old Craftsman wrenches, which I still have all my Craftsman wrenches, and I really don't know where to even warranty any of that. And my Craftsman wrenches are all USA made. So they're old. I bought them a long time ago. The problem is when I go to replace my Icon, there is no individual shelf. So I have to buy everything in sets, which is ridiculous. So if I break one of these, yeah, they have to break open a brand new set to replace my warranty. It makes absolutely no sense. And I can't buy just one Icon tool. I have to buy it all in sets. Are you seeing what I'm talking about there, Harbor Freight? I mean, that doesn't make any sense. If you're gonna claim that these are Snap-on quality, and I don't deny that they are, they're great for homeowners. My problem is why aren't you selling these individually to me? If I want a set, I want a set. And maybe I only need one. But how am I gonna buy one when I can't buy but a whole set? It doesn't make any sense to me. Personally, I think it's something that Harbor Freight needs to work on. I'm here a lot. I take advantage of all their sales. I love the Icon brand. I use a lot of their stuff. However, I can't buy it individual. And that's a real problem. I can do that with Snap-on. I can do that with Matco. I can do that with Husky. I can do that with any brand pretty much other than Icon or Harbor Freight stuff. That's a real problem. So you're saying, where would you put the individual stuff? Maybe people are gonna steal them, okay? Well, I give you that. I give you that, Harbor Freight. If you say that, I haven't heard you say that, but let's say that you say that, okay? See that big gray wall over there? Those are the cashiers. That whole gray wall could be individual tools. It could be individual tools. That's how that could work. Simple. Just, you could have individual tools behind that gray wall over there, and it would work out perfect. Now, Harbor Freight, if you're watching this, which I hope you are, because it's just constructive criticism, because I love your store. I love the way you guys do business here. I love everything about it. Harbor Freight, tell me why you couldn't sell it individually. I tell them all the time when I'm in here, this is my store. I own it. And they're like, what do you mean? I said, well, I'm here all the time, and I'm assisting people all the time, and I'm pretty well aware of everything in the store. So my only problem is you're not selling individual stuff to people, and that's an issue. Well, folks, if you like these videos, please let me know in the comments below. Till next time, this is Luke Simons. May the Lord guide and keep you. Happy trails. So, as I was leaving the store, I told them I was making a YouTube video, and they asked on what subject. And I know everybody that works here, they're all really great here in Dickinson. And I said, you don't sell individual tools. And they said, well, we'd have to charge a lot more for them. And I said, I know that, but if I lose a 9/16 or a 5/16 socket, let's say, which happens, it happens. We're going to blame the hired hand or one of the kids or whatever. I have to buy a whole new set. And they said, no, Luke, no. You are a frequent buyer here. We will make that right with you. I said, you're kidding me. He goes, no, we will make that right with you. We'll make sure you can buy just one individual. Now that is a game changer, Harbor Freight. If that is the case, and I would never expect him to lie to me, That is true. But I don't think a lot of us know about it because literally I got to the point where I had to make a video about it before I knew about it. So therefore, I could be an individual case. If any of you are out there in YouTube land and you have something to say about this, about Harbor Freight not selling individual tools, let me know. Particularly, your Pittsburgh, your Bauer, is it Bauer? I don't know. There's another one. Pittsburgh, and there's another one in there. And then there's Icon. They have lifetime warranties. So I'm all about that. I like that idea of lifetime warranty. I wish it was made in the United States, but until these trade embargoes that President Trump is talking about, which are going to work, they really work. They will work. Ross Perot was 100% correct by keeping our jobs home. Not to make this video political, but we need to get our jobs home. But until they do, it's going to be China. That's just the way it works. These tariffs will work really well. Given time, they will work good. They're bringing American jobs home. And Democrat, Republican, we should all be about bringing jobs home. So anyways, that being said, I stand corrected on that if that is the case, but I do believe Harbor Freight should do a video, not a video, but a better job of explaining that. Even though the big gray wall behind the cashier would be a really wonderful place to keep individual tools so you don't have to break open a brand new tool pack to warranty something out, because it's going to break. I don't care what brand it is.